Hey you guys, it's your girl Alyssa, aka ChicMarieB. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today we're going to get into a 15-minute healthy meal. I'm going to show you guys how I make a fun meal. It's very simple. You can make it for your family, for you girl, for you and your boyfriend, your mama, your cousin, anybody who's coming over that enjoys salmon and something a little healthy. This meal is keto friendly, and eat any one of them other diets, girl, I can't really keep up with all of the diets out here now, you know. It's a lot of them. However, if you are on your healthy lifestyle-ish, then that's what you should be doing. More power to you. Hopefully this meal you can add to your everyday diet. But yeah, to see what I'm going to make, keep on watching. And give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not. Let's go. Okay, so first things first, you want to grab you some salmon. I got mine from Whole Foods. This is Atlantic salmon fillet. So the regular salmon that be $9.99 at Whole Foods. And this is a little bit over a pound. You always want to smell it, girl, because you never know. Child, they be serving up anything at the stores. Okay, so I'm going to rinse this off really quick. So we have a huge piece of salmon. I usually take it, dry it off. And today we are going to be making some salmon with some cauliflower stir fry. And the cauliflower stir fry is from Trader Joe's, so it is frozen and it's super quick and it's super good. So really what we have to truly prepare is the salmon. So first I want to take the skin off because this is the skin. I'm sure you guys have seen it before. So today we're going to be pan searing the salmon, and I don't like skin. I know sometimes people eat the skin, people like the skin, you can crisp the skin up and people eat it. I don't eat skin over around these parts. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking it off. This is my knife here. It's actually a fillet knife, so it's kind of flimsy and it has some grooves down here for you to be able to get in there. Okay, so to skin a piece of salmon, you want to just find you an edge. I'm gonna choose this edge, and you take your knife and you cut it a bit. Okay, cut it away from the salmon, away from the flesh. And then you want to grab it, take your knife right under there, and just tug it back and forth. As you can see, it's not a lot of flesh on the skin, which is what we want, of course. If you do this from the beginning on your first try, you might have a lot of flesh on the skin because it's your first try, you know. It's okay, but the more you do it, the more you learn. You just got to keep your knife really close to the bottom of the fish, and then you just pull back and forth. Also, you can cut this into smaller pieces and then skin it. That might make it easier for you as well. There we go. So we got the skin off, which I'm sure it probably look nasty to y'all. You see it still got all these scales on here. Whole Foods, y'all be acting like y'all the best in the game, but the fisher guy couldn't even get the scales off the fish. So if I wanted to eat the skin, I would have had to get the scales off first. So who doing all that? Nobody. Anyway, that just blew me. Why is all these scales still on here? Now we're going to take that same knife and we're going to portion out our salmon. So depending on how many people you're cooking for, and if you're cooking for like a guy and he likes to eat a lot, you can make them super big, you can make them skinny, you can cut them up however you want. That's why usually when I go to the grocery store, I buy like a pound or half a pound, or really I just eye it. I said, let me get that big piece right there. That's what I did for this. I don't buy the portions. They charge you like $6 per portion. It's usually cheaper to buy by pound. So keep that in mind. So for this, since we making kind of like salmon stir fry, I'm going to keep them kind of thin, like this big. This is probably a 4-ounce piece. I'm going to turn on my pot real quick, because I'm telling y'all, this is super quick. So we finna get our pot ready. Okay, we gonna get it hot and ready to go. This is some olive oil from Trader Joe's. I pretty much get everything from Trader Joe's, everything that I can get. I love Trader. This is the one I get every time. It's like $6. While that's heating up, we got our salmon here, and we're gonna season this. Now you can season this however you like to have your salmon. Don't overthink it. It's not like chicken, so you don't really need to be doing no marinade. So I pretty much like to do garlic salt, black pepper. And sometimes I do like a jerk seasoning. Sometimes I do different ones. My plan is to show you guys different ways to prepare salmon because I pretty much only eat seafood. But today we started real simple. We got our garlic salt from Trader Joe's as well as our ground black pepper. This is also pretty good. I use this on my salmon sometimes. This is from Trader Joe's as well, South African smoke. So it's paprika leaves, sea salt, garlic, basil. Okay, so it's not too spicy per se, more flavor. We could throw that on there today too. So I'm starting off with the garlic salt. So not too much, just enough. Don't go overboard with seasoning, child. You know people be having high blood pressure. And black pepper. Like, this is it that I really use because this so fat. I'm going to throw a little bit of the South African smoke. This does have salt in it, and we just put a lot of garlic salt on there, so we don't want to put too much. And then we just want to rub in our seasons just to make sure they're evenly distributed. So you just want to take it and you just lay it in. Let me get the camera so y'all can see. And as you can see, the skin is all off on the other side. I don't think I showed you guys the other side. So while this cooks, you know what, let me get utensils. Don't use your hands at home, y'all. I'm used to using my hand. I'm going to go ahead and season the other side really quickly. This way we not wasting any seasoning. It don't need to just be sitting on our cutting board. It can sit right up on this fish, okay? Okay, you guys, I had to jump in here because it was too loud. But this is the rice cauliflower stir fry that I use from Trader Joe's. You can find this in their frozen section. It's really good and very easy to prepare. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I prepare really quickly. I'll just throw some butter and some olive oil in a pan. I put a little bit of butter just for flavor, and then I just cook it. I put the lid on. It's easy. So we're going to throw our olive oil in. I'm putting like a tablespoon of butter and dropping that in there. This is what the cauliflower rice looks like. It's just like shaved pieces of cauliflower. You can add some seasoning on it. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. And then I'm going to just put the lid on it, and it's going to be done in like 5 minutes. Okay, so basically everything is done. I didn't show much with the cauliflower rice mixture because it's frozen, and girl, all you got to do is put it on the stove. So I am going to plate it up for you guys. This is what it looks like done. Let me move out of the light. I like to do this in a bowl because, you know, it's cute. And y'all, let me just show y'all this salmon. Let me move that out the way. This is the salmon. Clearly, I was eating on this, girl, because I'm hungry. But it has such a great crust. And it's still so, like, juicy in the inside. Let me just show you guys how bomb it is. Which I'm going to just eat a piece. Yeah. Back to plating. I just like to take it and you just sit your salmon on top. And I top it off with this here. This is a salad dressing. Brianna's home-style ginger mandarin dressing. So it's kind of like an Asian inspired. Goes along with the stir fry. And it did say that the stir fry from Trader Joe's has a little ginger in it. I just really top it off with a little bit of this. And we are done, you guys. Should give you 4 servings, depending on how much rice you use. You can always buy 2 bags of rice. And this is hella protein, hella fiber, hella healthy, okay? Hella healthy meals with ChicMarieB. Yes, is that what we're gonna call it? Hella healthy? Ooh, I love that. That's so me. Let me know if you guys try this out. It's so good. I've made this before. This was actually one of the meals I made on IG, and people was like, yeah, what's that? Okay, you guys, so that's the final video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I don't have food in my teeth. I'm gonna get my setup together. I think going forward, I might try to use my phone to record these videos. I think it'll be easier, girl, because I'm over here trying to lug this big, heavy camera in the kitchen and cook. I'm like, ooh, but I am gonna keep on doing these for you guys. I hope you do like them a whole lot. And try this meal out. Try it out. If you like not allergic to cauliflower or salmon or something, try it out. Comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next. And I will see you on my next video. Peace.